Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful but simple volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let me quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this, and then I will explain how the strategy works. Okay, so you are going to first of all click on this F icon here. All right, after clicking on that, you are going to be clicking on the main window plus icon here. Then you search for your fractal. All right, so this is the default setting. You can use any color of your choice. Okay, so after that, you click on done. The next indicator we have here is moving average. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again. Then you search for your moving average. So these are the properties for it. The period is 35, shift is 0, method exponential, applied to close. The levels, you leave it as it is. Time frame, all time frame. The style, you make the color black. After that, you click on done, and you are going to have this black moving average here on your chart. Okay, so the next indicator here is MACD. You are going to be clicking on this plus icon here again, and then you search for your MACD. So these are the properties for the MACD. Fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, applied to is close. All right, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame, all time frame. The style, you make the main, you make the color red. The signal, the color yellow. All right, you make it 3 pixels for the both of them. After that, you click on done. You are going to have the MACD. Now the last indicator here is relative strength index. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon here. Then you search for your relative strength index. All right, so these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 14. The applied to is previous indicators data. All right, make sure you take note of this. So after that, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame, sorry, the levels, you are going to make it 15 and 85. Okay, 15 and 85. The style, the color is red, and you make the pixel 2 pixels. After that, you click on done. Now you make this here, this the color of this one here, you make it white. All right, then you make it 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. You are done with the setup. All right, so this red line here is the MACD. This yellow line here is the signal line. Now this is the relative strength index. All right, which is showing us the levels, the 15 and 85. All right, so these are all the settings for this strategy. Now, how does this strategy works? How does this strategy work? All right, so before I explain that, let me quickly remind you guys about the coming class, which I'll be hosting in my Telegram channel on the 5th of next month, September. Okay, so if you are hearing about it for the first time, there's a free beginners class which I'll be hosting in my Telegram channel. All right, 5th of next month. So if you haven't yet joined the channel, check the description of this video and make sure you join. All right, make sure you don't miss this opportunity. All right, so in that class, I'll be teaching you guys from the basics to the advanced level of forex trading. All right, I'll teach you how to become profitable in the forex market. Okay, so if that is what interests you, do make sure you join. All right, so that is all for that. Now, how does the strategy work? How does this strategy work? There are simple conditions you need to observe before taking an entry. First of all, you want to see that this yellow line here and this red line here facing down, is facing down and is at the overbought level, right? Is at the oversold level, sorry. Once it gets to this oversold level, this 15 line here, you get ready to sell. You get ready to buy, sorry. You get ready to buy. Now, once it gets to this area, you want to see that this red line here start crossing below the yellow. Once it crosses below the yellow signal line, you get ready for your buy entry. Now, the final confirmation is going to be when it crosses above the black moving average on the main chart. All right, so now for those of you that don't understand price action, I decided to add this moving average to help you do that, so that you will not stress yourself marking out the most recent structure and all that. Okay, because this moving average helps you to automatically do that instead of you to do it like this. Now you see, after marking this out, you can see it's in the same area with the moving average. So once it cross above the moving average, just know that it has break the most recent structure. So the next thing now is to buy. All right, so I hope you guys understand that now. So as you can see, immediately it crossed above the moving average. That is automatically showing you that it has broke above the most recent structure, and what is left for you now is to just buy and hold till your TP area. Okay, so for the TP area, you are going to hold till this the yellow signal line gets to the overbought level here, and then you exit the market. All right, you exit the market and you look for the next opportunity. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Let me show you guys a sell opportunity. All right, so as you can see, after this crossing, you wait for it to break above break below the black moving average, and then you set your TP at this area above that, the most recent structure, and then you hold till this line here gets to the oversold. All right, so as you can see, it was at the oversold before it reversed. So make sure you respect this as the oversold level, okay, so that you will not like make profit and then the price will take you back in losses. Okay, so now it got to this area, you saw the reversal, right, and it breaks above the black line. You take your buy entry again from this area here, take your buy entry from this area, stop loss below that area here, and then you hold till the signal line gets to the overbought level and you exit the market. So you can see this is the area it's got to the overbought level. So you wait for, in that area now, you have to wait for your sell condition because it has gotten to the overbought level. So now you are looking for a sell entry, right? So it crossed below the yellow line here on the indicator window, giving you a sell condition. Now you are waiting for it to break above the moving average, which it did here, right? Now your stop loss is going to be above this area. Your TP is going to be when the yellow line touches the oversold level, and as you can see, it still went as predicted. Okay, so that is how you basically trade with this strategy. Okay, it's a very simple strategy and it works almost all the time. All right, it's a very accurate strategy. So what I want you guys to do now is to go and backtest this. Okay, backtest the strategy for like a week or two and see how it's going. Right, once you can see that it's profitable and it's good for you, then you can use it. Okay, that's when you can decide to use it. Okay, don't just take my words for it. I want you guys to put in the work and practice it very well, master it before you can start trading with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one. The zoom level, you zoom out completely, you zoom in 1 2 like this, use the second zoom level or the third zoom level. Okay, you zoom in 3 times. All right, so that is going to be all for this video. Okay, so if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. See you out.